Hello students, in today's session we are going to solve exercise which we yesterday studied. Yesterday we have seen the adjustment and its two effect. Now today we are going to solve this problem on screen. Simultaneously you may will learn how to use computer, Excel, etc. Okay, let's begin. Today's is so it will be tomorrow's lecture, 10th of August, page number 56. Let me clear each and everything from here. We have two partners, Reena and Aarti. Reena, Aarti. Partner capital account, current account. Okay. So balance sheet partners, capital account. As a procedure, we will transfer each and every item from trial balance to respective account or balance sheet. So yesterday we have seen the adjustment. Now simply we have to transfer this debit side item to the respective concern account or balance sheets. So before transferring, once again have a look where the adjustments are: debtors, creditor, wages, salaries, insurance, and depreciation on land and building. So item this related with the adjustment will be recorded in inner column. So first purchases 35,500. Debit side of the trading account. Two purchases. How much? 35,500. Sundry debtors. So it is having the adjustment. So I will just simply record it on the debits balance sheet asset side. Sundry debtors. Inner column because of the adjustment 40,000. Sales return. It will be recorded on the trading account credit side. Buy sells first. Sales account less return amount is 1,000. Opening stock is there. परचेजेस को ले लेते हैं नीचे. To opening stock amount of 18,100, add purchases 35,500. चलिए इसको आगे देखते हैं, इसमें कुछ लेस रिटर्न वगैरह रही तो हमको क्रेडिट साइड को चेक करना है। जस्ट रिटर्न है यहाँ पर, परचेज रिटर्न भी है, तो ये रिटर्न हम पहले रिकॉर्ड कर लेते हैं। डेबिट साइड ट्रांसफर के 500 रिटर्न है, लेस टोटल, टोटल ऑफ इट, लेस return, how much? 500 equals to plus this much amount and minus this 500, 53,100 will be the total outer column. Now coming on the debit side once again, bad debts. Bad debts will be recorded in the profit and loss account. Two bad debts, amount of bad debts 500. It is having the adjustment, because of that I have written inside. Land and building on the balance sheet asset side, land and building. Inner column again, because it is having the adjustment as we solved in the previous session. Furniture asset side 20,000 without adjustment, outer column. Discount, it's a given discount, so it is expenditure of the business, will be recorded in the debit side. To discount account 1,000 rupees, outer column directly. To royalties, $700. To rent account, rent account 1,900. To salaries, and all thing is recording in the profit and loss account debit side. 3,000. To wages will be recorded in a debit side, wages account. It is related with the factory. Royalty may be the for manufacturing and for other purpose, so depending upon, we have to record either on the trading account or profit and loss account. Wages 800. Insurance, it's an expenditure, it is having the adjustment wages again. To insurance, inner column 1,500. Yesterday we have seen. Drawing, पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट को चलाएंगे 2,000 and 1,000 डेबिट साइड. बैलेंस शीट पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट, ये करंट हो गया, कैपिटल अकाउंट ही बनेगा क्योंकि मेथड कौन सा है वो बताया नहीं गया, तो हम फिक्स कंसिडर करते हैं, तो यहाँ लिख देंगे ड्राइंग अकाउंट 2,000 and 1,000. Cash at bank and cash in hand 11,500 and 2,000. Balance sheet asset side, cash at bank, cash in hand, cash at bank 11,500 and here it is 2,000. So we have transferred all the item from the trial balance debit side to the respective concern account. Now the credit side item. Credit side item will be transferred either on the credit side of trial balance or credit side of profit and loss account or balance sheet liability side. So we have very first item sales, which will be recorded on the credit side of trading account by sales account. Always remember while we're recording, so third session, so on the credit side we have to write by, on debit side we have to write to. So sales figure we have इसको ऐसे कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, now you can see easily on the screen. सेल्स का अमाउंट है 58,200. Less return 1,57,200. Now Sunday creditors will be recorded on the liability side. ये आपका बैलेंस शीट है, तो लाइबिलिटी साइड आ जाते हैं हम यहाँ पर सन्ड्री क्रेडिटर्स। इनर कॉलम में डिस्काउंट है, इसके ऊपर भी डिस्काउंट अर्न है हमारे पास। संडे क्रेडिटर्स है 25,700 इनर कॉलम में। परचेज रिटर्न वी हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन द इफेक्ट RDD, so simply we will record it on the credit side. By two methods we can solve it. So simple procedure is just recorded on the credit side of P&L account. यहाँ रिकॉर्ड कर लेते हैं हम बाय RDD अकाउंट। इसको डेबिट से माइनस भी किया जा सकता था 800, ये भी अप्रोप्रिएट है। डिस्काउंट अर्न है बाय डिस्काउंट अकाउंट। डेबिट साइड डिस्काउंट दिया था, यहाँ डिस्काउंट मिला हमको 50 रुपीज का, सो रिकॉर्ड ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड। बाय कमीशन अकाउंट 250। कैपिटल अकाउंट, तो पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट यहाँ मेथड फिक्स है, तो एक ही अकाउंट बनेगा 50,000 एंड 30,000। पार्टनर्स कैपिटल बैलेंस शीट असेट्स है। पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट, पहला पार्टनर का नाम है रीना और दूसरे का आरती। सो रीना इज हैविंग द 50,000 एंड हियर इज द 30,000। इसके इफेक्ट देना हम, तो उसको यहाँ थोड़ा सा जगह बना लेते हैं। उनका जो प्रॉफिट वगैरह आएगा वो ऐड प्लस माइनस करेंगे हम उसमें, प्रॉफिट या लॉस रहा था। So we have transferred each and every item from the trial balance to respective account. The very first adjustment yesterday we studied at closing stock 22,000 to effect balance sheet asset side and trading account credit side. By here closing stock, how much? 22,000. Same we have to record on the trading account credit side. Here's the trading account. Here we have to write by closing stock 20,000. Two effect is given. Yesterday we have seen these effects. Look at here. Closing stock, one effect trading account credit side, another effect balance sheet asset side. The second adjustment, write off rupees 900 for bad and doubtful debts. So first we have to minus this 900 as a bad debts, new bad debts, profit and loss account debit side written here. So we have to record it on the profit and loss account debit side. This trading account, here is the profit and loss account. Add new bad debts 900. Then again add provision for bad debts. Now iska 1,000. Then again add 3% provision, again 1143, and total will be recorded on the outer column. Okay, I will just make it highlight this much amount we have to record on the debit side of profit and loss account. From here we have a profit and loss account. Now second effect of it will be recorded on the balance sheet, same as I told you yesterday. Here is the sundry debtors. Less bad debts, the amount which cannot be recovered from the debtors is called the bad debts. The total will be, so two more lines may be required. Less, sorry, I have added it. I have to less it. Equals to plus this much minus this much, 39. Less, again this 1,000, less further bad debts 1,000. Then again less, so you will arrive again one total, insert 38,100. Again less 3% provision, it's come to 1143. Outer column total equals to plus this much and minus this much. See here, yesterday we have calculated this in green 36,957, and today as per calculation 36,957 will be the outer column total. So second effect, we have given the two effects. Now coming on the adjust number third. Adjust number third says the credit provision for a discount on data that we have taken the effect. Now on creditors 5%. So we have sundry creditors and we have calculated this 1285 rupees, 5% discount on data. So let's record it on the liability side and profit and loss account credit side by discount earned 1285, because we earn discount on the creditors. So I will just record here on sundry creditors to remember. Just on the balance sheet liability side, we have already recorded sundry creditors less discount, again 1285. The outer column we have to pay less 1285. So see here, yesterday which we have calculated 24,415 rupees. So here the second effect. Okay, now the third adjustment, outstanding. Outstanding को add करना है wages 700 और salaries 800. So wages outstanding है, wages we have recorded in a trial balance, add outstanding wages. कितना है wages के ऊपर 700 है, इसको inner column ले लेते हैं 800, add 700, outer column 1500. Salaries है, add outstanding salaries. Salaries है 3000, inner column add outstanding 800, 3800. Now second effect, outstanding which we have to pay, here we will treat it on the liability side of the balance sheet. Outstanding expenses, salaries 800, wages 700, outer column 1500. No need to highlight the salaries only. Okay, outstanding expenses. Adjust number fifth is insurance is paid for 15 months with effect from 1st April 2018 to 31st March 2019, the year ending, and we have paid extra 300 rupees. So first effect, less this prepaid amount from the profit and loss account debit side, and outer column will be the 1200. And second effect, balance sheet asset side 300, we have to show this. So where is that insurance amount? Where I written insurance, discount salaries, insurance recorded नहीं किया हमने, यहाँ लिख दिया by mistake. Okay, trading account में चला गया by mistake. We have to record it on the profit and loss account. Sorry, less prepaid 300, outer column will be 1200, and this 300 which we have deducted, we have to show it on the balance sheet asset side. Here the balance sheet asset side, prepaid insurance, how much? 300 we have calculated. Now adjust number 6, depreciate land and building at a rate of 5%. So we have a calculated amount 1250 on land and building. So first we will deduct it on the balance sheet asset side 1250, balance sheet land and building less 5% depreciation. $23,750, and this 500 which we have 5% which we deduct, we have to show on the balance profit and loss account debit side to So depreciation on land and building, how much we have calculated? 1250. outer column directly. Adjust number 7. Reena and Aarti are sharing profit and losses in their capital ratio. So we have calculated the capital ratio 5/8 and 3/8. So we have to now calculate the gross profit, which should be 23,900. So we have given each and every effect of the adjustment. Now very first thing, after giving the two effects, we have to close down our first account, which is known as a ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट. तो ये पहला अकाउंट हम क्लोज करते हैं, इसको मैं यहाँ हाईलाइट करता हूँ. वी आर गोइंग टू क्लोज दिस ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट फर्स्ट. तो ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट क्लोज कर रहे हैं हम. तो ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट का टोटल है इतना. यहाँ तक के हम सम करेंगे. वेयर इज द सम? यहाँ तक की टोटल आती है 53,000. तो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा टू ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट CD carried down equals to plus this much and minus this much. 23,900. 23,900 is given the book, so it is correct. 23,900. अब यहाँ से हम ट्रांसफर कर देंगे इसको बाय बैलेंस, बाय ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट, प्रॉफिट ब्रॉट डाउन 23,900. Make a total of this. Make it wide so you cannot see it. A total of debit side is 26,000. Okay. Now total up to here. 12,000. Differencing amount will be the net profit. To net profit brought down equals to plus minus 13,592. It is coming 13,592. It's absolutely correct. ये आ गया है नेट प्रॉफिट टू रीना's account to Aarti's account as per the ratio which we have already calculated yesterday, that 5/8. So we have a net profit. So let us calculate how we can distribute this 13,592 rupees. 13592 multiplied by 5 divided by 8, 5/8. So which come to rupees 8,495. $13,592 multiplied by second ratio is how much? 3/8 multiplied by 3 divided by 8, 5,097. 5097. So cross check 13592. It's a correct total. So we have distributed this profit as per the given ratio in the among the partners Reena and Aarti. Now transfer this into partners capital account. So we have a partner capital account here. Partner capital account here, partners capital account. By balance brought down. इनका था 50,000 और इनका था 30,000 in the question. Have a look. 50,000 Reena and 30,000 Aarti. So we have transferred it. By net profit. कितना है नेट प्रॉफिट? ये पार्टनर को है इतना वाला और आरती को है 5,097. Anything else? No. balance carried down. So this amount of capital balance will be transferred to partners capital account here. Reena plus और सेकंड पार्टनर है यहाँ पर आरती. $34,000. Total office will be recorded in the order column. Total capital of the partners. The balance sheet is got tallied. Balance sheet total 1,16,507. 1,16,507. It means we have solved it correctly. Okay. Have a look once again on your large screen. Trading count buy sells in the debit side. We have to write always with 2. Start at 2. So we have one gross profit. This much. We have transferred this gross profit into profit and loss account. Here and after profit and loss account is started. Then we arrive at a net profit amount, and we have transferred in the ratio 5/8. सुपरस्क्रिप्ट सबस्क्रिप्ट नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ. 3/8 ये उनका रेशियो है. रेशियो को मैं ले लेता हूँ ब्रैकेट में. ठीक. Now we transferred this gross net profit into partners capital account because method is fixed. So we have transferred this amount. We have transferred the balances figure, and thereafter we have calculated the differencing figure and we have transferred it in the बैलेंस शीट असेट साइड. ये वाला ट्रांसफर हुआ है वहां से, और ये आपका बैलेंस शीट का टोटल 1,16,507. So we have solved it correctly. Now it's your time to practice at home. Solve this exercise and send it on my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you.